My name's Allison Chapin. I've been working here since fall 2009. I'm responsible for doing a lot of the hiring and scheduling of tutors. We do a lot of the day-to-day payroll stuff, just making sure the lab runs smoothly, making sure that we have tutors here available for all the different levels of math that students are taking. And I'm also on the floor doing a lot of tutoring myself.
So this is our general math lab area. So this is the outer courtyard. This was part of our remodel. We were able to add outdoor whiteboards. So this is an extra study space. Come on in. So our procedure here is we have people sign in at the front desk. We have a check-in station, which is important, is how we kind of track attendance. We see what our foot traffic is through here. We have a pretty high foot traffic, people coming in.
So checking in, checking out is really helpful for us because that tells us that student was here. It tells us what math class they're in. And tells us how long they're in for. So that gives us a really good idea of what our peak hours are, so when we have the most students in here, so that we can schedule enough tutors at different times.
+1 all divided by n +1. So this way when you difference, we're not strict about where people sit. They want to be with their friends, and that's fine. But most of the tutors relevant to algebra and statistics are over there. Tutors that are better at pre-calc and beyond generally in here. It's a drop-in basis, it's not appointment-based. We have them sit down, get started with their work, and then as you have any questions, we have these restaurant cards, which we flip them over. If you have a question, the tutors will come to you. And then we even have a specific card for those people that have statistics, since that is by far our largest number of courses are in statistics right now.
We have a lot of stats students, and it's traditionally really hard to recruit stats tutors. There's just not very many people willing and able to do it. This semester, all of the placements have changed, so a lot of students are now being placed into courses that are a higher level than what they would have been placed into previously. So that means we have a big boom in stats classes. So figuring out how to have enough stats tutors has been a big deal for us.
You'll see that we've got close to 50-60 tutors. We keep all their name tags back here, all their things are looked after here. We're pretty full service. This is Ashish. She's one of our newer tutors. John here has been a tutor with us for a while. We have Luke here, who's...
Hello.
Shelby's been a tutor with us for quite a few years and is always in high demand.
We actually recently did a remodel where we've actually finally gone through and reconfigured the whole space to do what we're doing now. There's also a lot more natural light coming into the space and a lot more airflow, so it's not as cramped feeling in here. It's a lot more welcoming and pleasant environment for students to work in.
If you're struggling in math, you should want to come to Math Lab because all the tutors are awesome, super friendly, they know what they're doing. It's free compared to going out and spending $50 an hour for another tutor, and you can come here on your own time, and it's pretty much always open.
Yeah, everyone is welcome here, and it's always a party here in the Math Lab. It's a friendly place.